Kinemap Fitness Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think home workouts are boring, but you won't believe what happens next when your screen turns into a global cycling and fitness arena. Kinemap is an interactive fitness platform that connects with smart trainers, treadmills, and rowing machines to create immersive workouts. It uses real-world video routes from around the world so you can virtually ride, run, or row through famous locations. The surprising truth about Kinemap is that your equipment resistance adjusts automatically based on the terrain in the video. When the road goes uphill, your workout gets harder. When it goes downhill, it eases off. Most people get this wrong. They think virtual workouts are only about entertainment. In reality, Kinemap provides structured training plans, fitness challenges, and global leaderboards that motivate consistency. Kinemap is best for people who want engaging, connected home workouts. The surprising truth is that immersive training keeps you committed. Subscribe for more honest fitness tech reviews that keep you moving.